These Air Jordan 1s are gonna go to the moon. For the past few weeks, I've been hiding a sneaker from you guys. When this sneaker released, before release, I did pick up 2 pairs. I only showed you guys 1 because the YouTube comment section, man, you could never underestimate the YouTube comment section. I did a little bit, I guess, but I never showed you guys the second pair. In this video, we're gonna talk about what has happened to the resale of this Jordan 1. It's already going to the moon. It's on its way. You know, the rocket has taken off. It's on its way to the moon. It's in the middle of the sky on its way to the moon because that's where this Jordan 1 is gonna go. Resale value wise, man, it's gonna be crazy. I'm excited to see what happens with this Jordan 1. I had to buy 2 pairs, crazy expensive, but I had to buy 2 pairs because I want one for the collection, but I also want one for investment purposes because I did cop Red Octobers back in the day when they dropped for retail, and a year later I sold them. You know, after getting them for retail a year later, I sold them. I made a decent amount of money. I made a good amount of money, I should say. But nowadays, Red October's dead stock in a size 10.5. You guys know the price, you know? To the moon. To the moon. So, I'm not going to make the same mistake with this Jordan 1 that, in my opinion, to the moon. To the moon. The moon is the limit, in my opinion, when it comes to this Jordan 1. Let me show you guys this Jordan 1. I'm going to show you that I still have 2 pairs. Like I said, no cap. I bought them. I'm going to show you guys proof I bought them. I'll put it up on screen and everything throughout the video. You guys will see. Shout out to Brandon's Kicks. That's where I got these pairs from. He was featured on Z Sneakerhead's Instagram. So, 100% legit. Everything's legit. Backdoor plug came through. As simple as that on these, man. Very, very, very dope shoe. I did pay a hefty price tag for them, like I said, but they've done nothing but gone up in price and will continue going to the moon. So, let me show you guys this Jordan 1. With that being said, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. Hitting that thumbs up does help this video out. It does push the video out to more people here on YouTube. So please, all I ask, please guys, just make sure you smash that like button. Check out yesterday's video. Get yesterday's video up to 1,000 likes. Trust me on that. Trust me. Make sure you guys go watch yesterday's video and leave a like on this video. Let's get straight into this Jordan 1, man. To the moon! To the moon! This Air Jordan 1 will go. Let me show you guys, man. Woo! I've been hiding this for the past few weeks since the sneaker dropped in the beginning of February. Man. What a good investment for me. What a very good investment. So, I'm going to show you guys. You know, you guys know I do have a pair size 11 of the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s, and this is pair number 8,518. You guys have seen this pair right here on TikTok. My video did well. On Instagram, doing well. So that's awesome. And of course here on YouTube, did well as well. So thank you guys for all the support on Trophy Room content. My videos did pretty well, so I'm very, very happy. Now, here's something I never showed you. A 10.5. I bought 2 pairs from the plug before the release. I never showed you guys because, like I said, you can never underestimate the YouTube comment section. And yeah, I got enough heat, you know, for having 1 pair. Everyone thinks it was fake. No, I'm gonna tell you guys right now. Make sure you guys check out yesterday's video when I sold the fake Mochas to StockX. Leave a like on that video. If that video does get to 1,000 likes, I'll send either pair, both pairs, I don't care. I'll send them off to StockX. I'll buy them back myself because I want to hold on to them. But I'll send them off to StockX. And we'll see whether they're real or not. I know they're real. But I'll send them off to StockX. Let StockX put their tags on them for me. Why not? It'll be a lot easier when I go to sell them in a few years from now. Why a few years? I'll explain. Let's talk about resale. But first, let me unbox this pair. Size 10.5. Boom, Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. You see other YouTubers with blue pairs, blue laces, I should say. Friends and family. They just know the right people. That's what that came down to. So, shout out to you if you're a YouTuber and got blue laces. That's awesome to see. Awesome. It came down to who they knew. That's what that comes down to. Wow, this is a dope pair. So, I currently have a size 10.5 as well, that you guys can see the number right there, top 1,000. What is it? 930. 930 of 12,000. Two pairs of trophy rooms, 10.5 and 11, I have in my possession. And what am I going to do with them? Hold them, because they're on the way to the moon. To the moon. I'm going to tell you guys, shout out to Brandon's Kicks. I'll put it up on screen. I paid $4,000 for both pairs. $2,000 a piece. $2,000 a piece. A few days, I would say, week of release. It was like a week before. About a week before the release. Take a look at StockX right now. I dare you. I want you to. Guys, they're on their way to the moon. Size 10.5 and 11 currently sitting at like just about 3,300, 3,280, I think. You know, just under 3,300. If you sell them on StockX, you get like 2,900 something, whatever it is, like $3,000. But with this shoe, this ain't a shoe you gotta sell on StockX. In fact, I don't recommend it. In my opinion, guys, this right here is gonna do very similar to Chicago Off-White ones, maybe even more. In my opinion, this sneaker means more. There's more history, there's more everything with this sneaker compared to the Off-White Chicago Jordan 1. That is a dope shoe. I love it. Must have, all that. I'm for it. For the hype. Look, I get it. I love it, right? It's awesome. Details are dope. Where's the history? Besides hype, where's the stuff with the shoe? There's nothing. At least there's a story to be told here. You understand? If you guys really think about it, people mess with Off-White the brand, but more of Nike Off-White and Jordan Off-White more than just Off-White. I feel like that's safe to say when it comes to hype and resale and all that. There's nothing crazy about the Chicago Off-White ones. They were, what, 1,500? A little over 1,000, 1,500-ish when they dropped. Now they're at over $5,000. The sneaker right here, right, guys, these were nothing below $2,000 on StockX before release. Nothing now below like 3,200, 3,300. Everything else, check out smaller sizes, you're looking at like almost $4,000. Crazy. Guys, to the moon. To the moon. I knew this was going to happen. I made some content on it when I got them. I knew it was going to happen. It happened pretty quick. I was expecting them to go up a little more by now, to be honest. I thought maybe they would hit $4,000 in the bigger sizes. I do see that happening very soon. I do see that happening soon. I do think, like I said, to the moon. To the moon. For a few reasons, I do want to break it down why I say that. The colorway, guys, look at the colors. It's, you know, the Chicago one, right? Look at the price of regular Chicago's. The regular price of Chicago's will drop when we get a retro, but Chicago color blocking. Another thing that helps, obviously, of course, is the limited factor, the 12,000 pairs. That does help. Let's talk about the release, lack thereof, I should say. Most of the pairs was backdoored. That's just a fact. And the people that did win, a lot of them were friends and family from the raffle, and Sneakers app had like 200 and something pairs. That was it. That was it. There was no real major release for them. 12,000 pairs, they're individually numbered. They will go up more and more and more. So I had to buy two pairs. I absolutely needed to buy two pairs of trophy rooms. They do come with the ticket and everything like that. I had to, because they're just gonna go to the moon. They're gonna continue to go up in price, and I wanted to pull the trigger and cop two pairs. Two dead stock pairs, 10.5 and 11. I'll hold on to a pair for the collection. The other pair I will be letting go of. I'll let go of it probably, I want to say, in a few years. This is, to me, would be a nice long-term hold. I could see them going to 7,000, 8,000, and then when I want the money later on, it's right there, you know? Good amount of money right there. Guys, dope shoe. Buy them. If you have the money and you want them, buy them. They're going to continue to go up. As people wear them, continue to go up as well. Guys, the sky is the limit. To the moon on them. They're gonna go to the moon. If you guys want me to send both these pairs to StockX, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Check out yesterday's video, like I said, and let me know what you guys think about the trophy rooms, man. They're fire. I love them to the moon on them. Straight up to the moon. Sky's the limit with the trophy rooms. And I had to pull the trigger. I had to buy 2 pairs. I had no choice. So let me know what you guys think about the trophy rooms. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneaker content. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.